to protect the environment around us, and because we love a house that makes a home. Smart&Clean BIO, new level of keeping it clean. Cleaning tablets can be purchased individually. Just one bottle will serve you for a long time. A set of 5 reusable stickers for your convenience. Different colors of stickers depending on intended use. Each tablet creates a liquid of a different color: blue, navy, orange, green, purple. This way you will avoid mistakes. Cleaning power and efficiency without chemicals. Wrapped in fine paper and eco-friendly packaging. Washing machine tablets, concentrated, effective formula. Easy-to-use tablets in eco-friendly packaging. Conveniently store them in an aesthetic pouch. Fragrance-free, gentle and safe for the skin. Completely new, eco-friendly concept. Laundry detergent sheets. 2 versions of the product, fragrance-free and infused with natural essential oils. Easier to use than classic washing powder. Designed to dissolve completely in the washing machine. Leave no residue on clothes. Contain plant-based ingredients. Free of chemicals, toxic dyes, and bleach. Recyclable packaging, craft paper. Take them with you on the go. Bio wipes. Freshness always at your fingertips. 50 wipes in eco-friendly packaging. 96% natural ingredients, biodegradable and compostable. Use and throw away. Safe and skin-friendly, dermatologically tested. Good for the environment. Convenient for you. Trash bags, proper waste segregation, eco-friendly garbage bags, biodegradable and compostable, manufactured from cornstarch. You can dispose of them in bio-waste bins. Decompose within 90 days after disposal. With respect for nature, let's let the earth take a breath.